Hey yo, um I want to share with you something very simple but very complicated in some ways or another. And this particular thing I want to teach you today, or I want to share with you today, is actually pretty intense if you look at it. So I know most of you who are used to entries like formations, entries like order block, entries like liquidity engineering have faced something like this. Okay. So you see this particular structure here. I was looking at US 30 today. This is 15 minutes time frame. And you see, this is the valid breakout structure here. All right. And most of the people we look formations like this. So we have formations, inside formations like that one. We have inside formation like that one. This one was not tapped yet, right? And of course, we have this inside formation with an FIF, meaning we have an inside formation inside a formation. So FIF, that one, that's small formation. So you see the market tapping this FIF, okay? So of course, FIF they are very strong, okay? When you see an FIF, it's pretty strong entry to use, okay? But I'm just talking about uh, when you have several formation, we know that the first formation here is what we need to take, okay? And of course, we have this one. This is our liquidity engineering, right? This is our liquidity engineering there. So it is possible that every one of you, or most of you, I can say, will consider the formations above or maybe liquidity engineering above because we know when you want to sell, you need to sell high. When you want to buy, we need to sell, to buy low. That's the common knowledge that we all have, okay? So, why, I was asking myself, why did the market just ended up in this position and not the top one? And of course, this was a very good entry, actually. I took this entry today and we got all those pips there. Okay. But like I said, I am not so greedy in the market. So uh, I ended up taking profit at this point here. All right. At that point there. So what is the reason? Okay. What is the reason that market did not go all the way to the top and just ended up at this point here? This is my question to you guys. All right, this is my question. So for anyone who know the reason, you can just type in the comment. Okay, you can just type in the comment and let us know. But today I want to share with you one reason. Okay, one reason. Okay, of course, in this particular example, this very particular example, we have several examples. Several reasons on why the market ended up in that position and not on these top positions. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you one reason. The other reason actually pretty intense, and of course I want to secure my the other reason are 10x program stuff, so I can't share with you right now. But I want to share with you one simple reason that you can understand easily, and of course, it's going to help you a lot. Okay, so one reason that you need to understand is every entry that we take, every entry that we have are based on support and resistance. I don't know, I don't care I don't care any guru talk about, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, any any entry you see there, it doesn't matter. Maybe the order block entries, um, the what? Sorry. What's happening? It's like the internet is shaking. Okay. So yeah, so it doesn't matter when you were using order block or you're using what? The fair value gaps, the simple price action entries, the formations, okay, the liquidity engineering, the flips, okay. Any entry you're using, you have to know that, you know, they have some nuggets of support and resistance. All right. So I saw this several times and I needed to share with you. So any entry, for example, if you have a structure like this, so we have entries inside, you have to make sure that the entry you are in, it is in the strong level or zone of support or resistance. I mean, I repeat again, any entry you see in the structure, okay, just confirm it that it is in the strong support or resistance level or zone. And when you confirm it, that is the strong entry you need to take up. That's the best. I mean, it doesn't matter it is in here or somewhere top there or in the middle or around the break area. We just need to see that entry you are looking for. It is in the strong level of support or resistance. All right. So you may be asking your question, okay, what the hell am I talking about? You may be asking, okay, this is new or what? This is not new, okay? So look at this particular entry, okay? Look at this particular entry and actually look at this whole formation that we marked out here. I'm going to delete this one, yeah, and this one here, all right? So if I try to stretch this here all the way, what do you see? What do you see? I mean, this is easy. What do you see? You can see the market is rejecting this zone very, very often. You see all these rejections. We have so many rejections inside the zone. All right. This tells you that this area is strong to hold the price. It is strong to hold the price. That's why when you see the market breaking, it retest and go. Breaking, try to retest and go. Breaking, resisting in that level, breaking, retesting to the level, move. You see? Breaking, retest, go. Rejecting, breaking, and then we retest, we go. You see? You see this? It's very easy. So you need to check any entry you are looking for. I know this particular thing may be new to other people, but it's something that you can add up in your in your uh in your day-to-day trading, okay? So, all right, that's the thing I wanted to share. So any entry you're looking for, just try to look, is it in the strong area, strong zone in which I can possibly take? For example, you can check this one, okay? Uh, look at this one. Look at this one. Beautiful. So we have this formation here, all right? Beautiful formation. And of course, we have an internal uh, uh, shift, that one. Okay. So why did the market, we didn't see the market coming in this formation? And this was a strong shift because it has a formation inside. Why did the market ended up just in these areas? You know why? Because if you stretch this level here, you see multiple rejection in that zone. You see multiple rejection in that particular zone. Rejection, 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 breaking, breaking, retesting. And then you see, so I mean, this is the simple thing you need to understand, guys. So don't judge me, don't um criticize me, just drop in the comment and tell us what you think about it, okay? And then I'm going to ask you to go in the market and just try using your own strategy, using your own entry modules. Just try this out, okay? Just try this out. Go there in the market, try to backtest it, and you see what I mean. You'll definitely see what I mean. So this is the only thing I wanted to share today. So yeah, take it or leave it to you guys.